Good morning, my name is Kyle Wilkins and this is my 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. So starting at the front, we have the new headlights, the retrofit done by RetroSource with all the Diode Dynamics products, the halos, LED DRLs, and the demon eyes. We have the new Diode Dynamics fog lights and work lights up top. Of course, the 6-inch BDS lift with the 2.5 Fox coilovers, the adjustable. Black Rhino Kelso 18s and 35-inch Toyo RTs. And inside I also have the matching leather, which is gray and black and is done by Catskin. And everything on here has been installed and built by Dealer Source. So you can also check them out as well. So I originally wanted to go with like a 3 to 4 inch lift, but I actually saw one of these 6-inch BDS kits in person. And with BDS, you know, the name pretty much speaks for itself. So that's why I went with BDS. And so far I love it. You know, great ride, great quality. It's worked out fantastic. The wheels and tires, the wheels just because they match the paint, you know, almost dead on. And then the tires because Toyo RTs are just amazing off-road and they're really good on the highway. They're very, very quiet. And I do a lot of highway driving, so it works out. So I've always been a big Mopar fan. I've owned a lot of those, but I decided to do something a little more adventurous. I live in Texas and we have a lot of trails out there, so I wanted to do a lot of trail riding. And the Tacoma pretty much fit my needs the best out of all the vehicles I was looking at. And that's really what I plan on using it for, is just taking it off-road, doing some camping, you know, whatever weekend trips. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun so far. And coming around to the back, we have the Fox 2.0 shocks in the back. And also have the custom fifth wheel back here, which is another Kelso Black Rhino wheel and a Toyo tire. And then up top we have the Prince cab rack. So I just want to say thanks to BDS for bringing me out here. It's been a great time. If you want to follow my build, I'm on Instagram at uss.taco. And of course follow the BDS blog and all that. And yeah, see y'all around.